Today, we are going to dive into genetic algorithms and grammatical evolution for trading. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and see where we left off. You can see here that we read two papers yesterday about grammatical evolution and another one about grammatical evolution as well. One was using LSTM models. One was using some other stuff to create these GAs, genetic algorithms, and grammatical evolution is like a subset of that kind of. But let's go ahead and keep going through this. And the first thing I want to do here is I want to take what we've done and just get right into it. So you can see here I have this code. Please explain this code step by step so we can get all up to date. Please explain this code step by step. And then what I want to do here is I want to implement some of my own kind of ideas, I guess. Let's go ahead and get a little refresh here. I want to implement some of my own strategies to this because I feel like this is part one here. And we've got the code that is a genetic algorithm. We also built a GA a little bit a while ago. This is actually grammatical evolution. But this is the second version of this because there's unlimited ideas here, right? So there's unlimited things we can build with genetic algorithms. If you don't know what genetic algorithms are, you're about to get a definition. So hang on there. I'm kind of shocked that some people don't use them, but I think it's kind of out there. So let's go ahead and say, please explain this code step by step. Okay, start with that. Okay, so this script is designed to optimize a trading strategy using a genetic algorithm GA with the deep library and the backtrader framework for backtesting. Below, I walk you through the code step by step. So this is just a bunch of imports. These imports are libraries like pandas, numpy, etc. This loads in the data. This part reads the trading data from a CSV file and then sets the date time column to the index. This goes ahead and makes folds, so sections of the data, so we don't look at the whole data the whole time. This is the actual strategy part, and it's interesting to me that we write it in a string. It's a text version of the strategy. And then this part defines the strategy in Backtrader. The strategy involves various indicators and conditions for buying and selling. Then down here, this is the function converts a genotype, which is a list of integers, into a phenotype. Actual parameter values by mapping the integer values to corresponding parameter lists. You can see this is the KPI part, what we're looking at the KPIs. So this function evaluates the trading strategy by converting the genotype to phenotype, instantiating the Cerebro engine, adding data and strategy to the engine, adding analyzers for performance metrics like Sharpe ratio and drawdown ROI, running the backtest and returning the performance metrics. Here, this part sets up the genetic algorithm using the deep library, defines the fitness function, maximize Sharpe ratio, creates the individuals, the genotypes with random integer attributes, defines the population as a list of individuals, registers genetic operators, crossover mutation selection, and then defines the evaluation function to get the KPIs. Continue, dog. Don't ever stop on me, please. Never stop. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Don't quit on me, dude. Don't quit on me now. So you can see this line runs the genetic algorithm using the EAMU plus lambda algorithm from deep. Population, the initial population. So we pass in the initial population, the toolbox. Down here, this part selects the best individual from the final population and stores it in the best solutions list. This loop evaluates the best solution across different folds, the train, the validation, and the test. This part converts the results dictionary to a pandas data frame and prints it. Finally, this part creates a data frame to store and print the best solutions parameters. This code optimizes a trading strategy using a genetic algorithm. It involves the following steps: data prep, strategy definition, genetic algorithm setup, evaluation function, running the GA, and results. Can you explain what a GA is and how it is different than grammatical evolution? Because it's different. Definitely different. I'll tell you that much, but I'm still learning as well. So I'm just showing you as I go. As always, genetic algorithms are search heuristics that mimic the process of natural selection. They are used to generate high quality solutions for optimization and search problems by relying on bio-inspired operators such as mutation, crossover, and selection. GAs are particularly useful for solving complex problems where traditional optimization methods are ineffective. So the population is a set of solutions to the problem. The individual chromosomes, each individual represents a potential solution encoded as a string of genes. Genotype, the encoded form of a solution. Phenotype, the actual solution represented by the genotype. Fitness function, a function that evaluates how good a solution is, typically returning a numerical value indicating the solution's quality. The selection, the process of choosing individuals from the population to create offspring based on their fitness. Crossover or recombination, combining parts of two parents to create offspring mimicking sexual reproduction. Mutation, introducing random changes to an individual's genotype to maintain diversity in the population. Initialization, generate an initial population of random individuals. Evaluation, calculate the fitness of each individual in the population. Selection, select individuals based on their fitness to create a mating pool. Crossover, create new individuals by combining parts of selected parents. Mutation, apply random changes to the offspring. Replacement, form a new population by replacing some or all of the old population with the new individuals. Termination, repeat the evaluation, selection, crossover, mutation, replacement cycle until a stopping criterion is met. So in context of optimizing a trading strategy, GAs can be used to find the best set of parameters, like a stop loss, take profit levels, that maximize performance metrics like Sharpe ratio. Grammatical evolution. Grammatical evolution is an evolution algorithm that involves programs or expressions in any language defined by the Backus-Naur form, BNF grammar. It extends genetic programming, GP, by using a genotype to phenotype mapping process, allowing the algorithm to generate syntactical correct programs. So key concepts are the genotype. Again, this is grammatical evolution. Now I switched up on you. A string of integers that represent production rules in a grammar. Phenotype, the actual program or expression generated by the genotype using the grammar. Grammar, a set of production rules, BNF grammar, that defines the syntactical structure of a valid programs or expressions. The fitness function, a function that evaluates how well a generated program or expression solves the problem. So initialization, generate an initial population of random genotypes. Genotype to phenotype mapping, use the grammar to map genotypes to phenotypes, generating syntactical correct programs. Evaluation, calculate the fitness of each phenotype. Selection, select individuals based on their fitness to create a mating pool. Jeez. Crossover, combine parts of selected genotypes to create offspring. Mutation, apply random changes to the genotypes. Replacement, form a new population by replacing some or all of the old population with the new individuals. Termination, repeat the evaluation, selection, crossover, mutation, replacement cycle until a stopping criterion is met. So the example of generating trading rules in context of generating trading rules, GE, genetic algorithms, can be used to evolve expressions or programs that define trading rules using a predefined grammar. The difference between GA and GE representation. GA individuals are typically represented as fixed length strings of binary values, integers, or real numbers. GE's individuals are represented as variable length strings of integers that map to production rules in a grammar. So the solution space, GA, searches a space of encoded solutions directly. The GE searches a space of syntactical valid programs or expressions defined by a grammar. Flexibility. Generally, GAs are flexibly more straightforward but limited to the representation used. GEs more flexible due to using grammars, allowing for the evolution of complex structures like programs. Mapping. GAs are direct mapping from genotype to phenotype. GEs indirect mapping from genotype to phenotype using a grammar. Applications. GA often used for parameter optimization and combinatorial problems. GEs are used for evolving programs, generating expressions, and other tasks where a structured solution is required. Both genetic algorithms and grammatical evolution are powerful evolutionary algorithms used for optimization and search problems. GAs are well suited for direct parameter optimization, while GE is more suitable for tasks requiring generation of structured solutions such as programs or expressions depending on the problem at hand. One may choose GAs for simplicity and direct optimization, or GEs for its flexibility and ability to generate complex solutions. What are the pros and cons of each for trading and building trading algorithms and profitable trading systems? How would you approach this? You are the quant Jim Simons. Why not? You are him. What would he say? If you're on Jim Simons, Google it. Genetic algorithms, pros and cons. They're easy to understand. Genetic algorithms, GAs. Easy to implement and understand, well documented and widely used in various optimization problems. Efficient parameter optimization, effective in finding optimal or near optimal parameter sets for trading strategies. Can handle complex multi-dimensional optimization problems. Flexibility can be applied to various types of data and problems in trading, such as optimizing entry and exits, risk management parameters, and portfolio allocation. Robustness, tolerant to noisy data, which is common in financial markets. Parallelizable, easily parallelizable, which can significantly speed up the optimization process using modern multi-core processors or distributed computing systems. Cons. Premature convergence. Risk of converging to local optima rather than finding the global optimum. Requires careful tuning of algorithm parameters such as crossover mutation and rates to avoid the issue. Computationally intensive, can be computationally expensive. especially for large populations and many generations. High computational cost if the evolution of the fitness function is time consuming. Limited to parameter optimization, focus on optimizing numerical patterns, which may limit the scope of solutions compared to the more extensive methods like GE, grammatical evolution. Grammatical evolution. Flexibility and expressiveness, capable of evolving complex structured solutions such as trading rules, algorithms, and entire programs. Can generate new trading strategies from scratch, not just optimize existing ones. Grammar base ensures that all generated solutions are syntactically correct, reducing the risk of invalid strategies, allows for the incorporation of domain knowledge through the grammar definition. Exploration of larger search spaces can explore a wider variety of solutions, including unconventional or novel trading strategies that might not be found by traditional optimization methods. Adaptability can be adapted to various types of problems beyond parameter optimization, such as generating predictive models, trading rules, and portfolio management. Cons: more complex to implement and understand GAs. Requires a well-defined grammar, which can be challenging to create. Computationally expensive. Similar to GAs, GEs can be computationally expensive due to the evaluation of complex phenotypes. The genotype to phenotype mapping process adds an extra layer of complexity and computational cost. Parameter tuning requires careful tuning of evolutionary parameters, mutation and crossover rates, and grammar to balance exploration and exploitation. As Jim Simons, a quant with a focus on rigorous scientific and mathematical methods, here's how I would approach trading algorithms and profitable trading systems using GAs and GEs. Define objective and constraints. Maximize risk-adjusted returns, Sharpe ratio, while minimizing drawdowns. Constraints. Limit maximum drawdown. Ensure liquidity. Adhere to risk management principles. Data preparation. Gather and pre-process high-quality financial data, including historical price data, volume, economic indicators, and the other relevant data sets. Clean and normalize the data, handling missing values, and create features that capture more important market dynamics. Strategy formulation, using genetic algorithms, GAs, initialize population, create an initial population of random trading strategies represented by their parameters, like moving averages, stop loss, take profits. Evaluate fitness, use a robust backtesting framework to evaluate the fitness of each individual in the population based on performance metrics like Sharpe ratio, drawdown, and ROI. Get this boy out of here. Shorting Filecoin, get him out of here. 256,000 off his chest. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye. Selection. Select the top performing strategies to form a mating pool. Crossover and mutation. Apply crossover and mutation operations to create new offspring. Ensuring diversity and exploration of the search space. Replacement. Replace the worst performing individuals with the new offspring. Iteration. Repeat the evaluation, selection, crossover, mutation, replacement cycle for a predefined number of generations or until convergence. So using grammatical evolution, define grammar. Develop a grammar that defines the syntactical structure of valid trading strategies, including technical indicators, mathematical operations, and logical conditions. Initialize population. Generate an initial population of random genotypes that map to valid trading strategies using the defined grammar. Genotype to phenotype mapping. Translate genotypes into phenotypes, trading strategies using the grammar. Evaluate fitness. Backtest using generated strategies to evaluate its performance based on identified metrics, defined metrics. Selection, crossover, and mutation. Apply selection, crossover, and mutation to evolve the population similar to GAs. but the added complexity of ensuring syntactical correctness. Continue the evolution process until satisfactory solutions are found. Validation and robustness testing. Perform out-of-sample testing and walk-forward analysis to validate the robustness and generalizability of the evolved trading strategies. Conduct stress testing under the various market conditions to ensure the strategies can withstand different market regimes. Implementation and monitoring. Implement the optimized trading strategies in a real-time trading environment. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of the strategies, making adjustments as necessary to adapt to changing market conditions. Conclusion: both GAs and GEs are often powerful methods for developing and optimizing trading strategies. The choice between them depends on the specific requirements and goals of the trading system. GAs, genetic algorithms, are simpler and effective for parameter optimization of strategies. GEs provide greater flexibility and the ability to generate entirely new trading strategies from scratch. I like that. I'm excited about that. Oh, I'm excited about both, but given the need for both optimization and innovation in new trading strategy, a hybrid approach leveraging both GAs. Nice. I like the hybrid approach because my goal is to generate brand new strategies that a human can't comprehend or find easily, and then also optimize those strategies. Jim Simons, who you are, what would you recommend I do next? Jim Simons, who you are, what would you recommend? Yo, 777, everybody. Good morning, Tone. Good morning, Nuno. Good afternoon, Jane. Good evening, Lone Star. Good afternoon, Sakar. What up, 777? Danny, what up, 777? What's the best place to learn Python? YouTube. Sakar, don't even when you don't like me. I love you, bro. 777, 777. Davey, good to see you. Leighton says, is this the last cycle for human trader efficiency with AI making us fairly obsolete? There's always going to be human traders for sure. Are they going to be good? They aren't now. So there's always going to be gamblers. There's always going to be, us gamblers going to the casino gambling. So I think traders will always be here, but they're going to continue to get wrecked. So I'm going to continue to algo trade. Yo, what up, Derek? Good afternoon. Good morning. Sweet dreams. As Jim Simons, a quant with a track record of developing groundbreaking trading strategies, here's what I would recommend for your goal of generating brand new strategies and optimizing them with using a hybrid approach of genetic algorithms and grammatical evolution. Define a comprehensive research plan. Develop a framework that combines the strength of GE for generating novel trading strategies and the efficiency of GAs for optimizing these strategies. So build a framework that uses grammatical evolution to generate strategies and then use genetic algorithms to optimize those strategies. Include various market conditions, asset classes, and timeframes to ensure robustness. Develop a robust framework. Define the grammar. Create a detailed grammar that includes a wide range of technical indicators, mathematical functions, and logical operators. Nice. This looks Gucci. Expandable grammar. Ensure that grammar can be easily expanded to include new indicators or functions. What is this? This looks a lot like a grammar if you ask me. Genetic algorithm setup, popularization, initialization. Start with a large initial population of random strategies. Fitness evaluation. So I want to write this down because I think this is really good. Jim, rest in peace, homie. Rest in peace, bro. Thank you for your guidance. Plan. Dude, that doesn't look good. Objective. I'm just going to put objective. That's the only one I want. Perfect. Life is perfect. Good to see everybody here. 777. Let's go ahead and keep it moving and develop a robust framework. Okay, genetic algorithm setup, popularization, initialization. Start with a large population, then fitness function, then selection, crossover. Then hybrid framework, GE for strategy generation, use the GE for the strategy, and GA for optimization. I love that. Implementation steps, data collection and pre-processing, gathering historical market data across multiple asset classes and timeframes, clean and pre-process the data to ensure consistency and accuracy. Define the evaluation metrics, establish a set of evaluation metrics that will be used to assess performance of trading strategies. Metrics include Sharpe ratio, maximum drawdown, return on investment, and number of trades. Develop the GE and component. So grammar definition and parsing. Define a flexible and comprehensive grammar for generating trading strategies. Implement a parser that can translate genotypes into executable trading strategies. GE implementation. Develop the GE engine to evolve trading strategies by generating and selecting the most promising candidates. Parameter optimization. Implement a GA to optimize the parameters of the trading strategy generated by the GE components. Fitness function. Design a fitness function that accurately reflects the desired performance characteristics of the trading strategies. Hybrid framework. Integrate the GE and GA components into a cohesive framework. Ensure seamless interaction between the two components. Backtesting and validation. Perform extensive backtesting to validate the performance of the strategies generated and optimized by the framework. Conduct out-of-sample testing. Iterative refinement and improvement. Continuously refine the grammar, genetic operators, and fitness functions based on the results of your testing. Explore the incorporation of additional data sources, such as sentiment analysis, newsfeed. Automation and monitoring. Develop automated tools for continuous monitoring and evaluation of the trading strategies in real time. Implement alert systems to notify you of significant changes in strategy performance or market conditions. So since the GE will take a long time to search for the best. No, I'm not going to say that. I'm just curious. Things. Would it be beneficial to use a coding language like Rust to speed up the search? I've already implemented NumPy to speed it up, but I'm just thinking of other ways to speed up the GE. What do you think, Jim? Jim, what do you think? Using a more performant language like Rust indeed helps speed up the computation intensive parts of the grammatical evolution and genetic algorithms. Here are the steps and considerations for optimizing performance of your strategy generation and evaluation processes. So profile your code, identify the bottlenecks in your current implementation. This will allow you to focus on your optimization efforts on the parts of the code that will benefit the most from increased performance. Make sure you are leveraging parallel processing to evaluate multiple strategies concurrently. Using multi-processing in Python is a good start, but more efficient parallel processing libraries or frameworks might be needed. Use efficient data structures. Ensure that you are using the most efficient data structures for your problem. In Python, this means leveraging NumPy for numerical computations and using efficient algorithms for data manipulation. Algorithm optimization. Optimize your genetic algorithm operation, selection, crossover, mutation. Use high-performance libraries like Numba or Cython to compile Python code to machine learning, significantly speeding up execution times. Rewriting performance critical parts of your code in Rust can provide significant speedups. Rust safety guarantees and performance characters make suitable choice for computational intensive tasks. Set up Rust project. Write code in Rust. So by combining Python for flexibility and ease of use with Rust for performance critical sections, you can create a highly efficient system for evolving and optimizing trading strategies. Here are the specific steps you should follow. Profile and optimize Python code. Identify and optimize bottlenecks using profiling tools like Numba. Implement parallel processing. Use Python's multiprocessor capabilities to evaluate multiple strategies concurrently. Integrate Rust for speed. Rewrite performance critical parts of your code in Rust using Py-O3 to achieve significant speed improvements. This hybrid approach leverages the strength of both languages, providing the flexibility needed for complex algorithm development while ensuring high performance. Okay, so I'm not going to do Rust right away. No way. Maybe use Rust later. Use Rust later in order to speed this up. Let's go ahead and look through our notes because we've been working on this for a while. June 10th, building out math only on Grammatical Evolution, working through all of the edge cases with Luxy. I've already saved to the prompt, so it has all of my code. Perfect. So to finish the math on GE, do a GE for every single indicator on Pandas TA and TAlib. Ooh, that's going to be so sick. Switch to backtesting.py once I'm comfy with it. So we just wrote that one down. Ideas, a ML combo identifying pivots using weighted factors like EMA, SMA, Keltner bands with ATR multiples, fibs by significant levels, max, and RSI. Instead of blending the plus minus multiplication, maybe separate them individually, and after finding a working model, merging them together. You should try the Murray math line indicator with an entry strategy at the MML extreme overshoot. Good entry for strategy of MACD divergence breakouts. All right, well, this is kind of off topic, but I'll put it on my note sheet. I'll be putting your guys' ideas in here as well. So I'll be listening. I'll be reading everything, dude. So anything you put out, I read it. So make sure it's good. Make sure it's good, or else I'm connecting your name to trash. Make sure whatever you post anywhere on the internet to me, make sure it's good, or I know you're trash. Your idea is trash. Your name, it's connected forever. It's connected forever, dude. Like some dude hit me in the chat just today, said, even though when you hate me, it's like, yeah, it's because you said some whack stuff yesterday and I remember you forever. And you're whack forever. Sorry, B. You're whack until you prove yourself otherwise. 777, much love. Go through all the TA library and combine all the indicators. That's going to be dirty. V-plan, so I'm also working through this other set of code. Okay, I'm set. I'm ready. Let me answer any questions here if there are any. Masari CEO steps down. That guy's a fool. I called him out 3 months ago for his antics and he blocked me, and now he had to step down from his company. It's very easy to see. That's what I woke up to. Masari, it's very easy to see fools on the internet, and yeah, he should have stepped down a long time ago. But 777 Derek, 777 Jane, much love, much love. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So what I want to do now is go ahead and take this, and I want to update this. I don't have access to this backtesting.indicators, so I want to remove it first off. So let's go ahead here and say, boom, please update this code above in order to remove the from backtesting.indicators part and then change the backtesting from backtrader to backtesting backtesting.py. And then lastly, change the strategy we are using as the base strategy to the one below. I don't have access. I don't have access to all of the, okay, let's just say that. Let's go ahead and find this. Danny says I put you in the background so I don't feel alone while coding. That's so dope, bro. Glad to be in the office with you. Let's get it. Let's get it every single day around 8 or 10 or 11 or 12. All day. Doesn't matter when I'm here, I'm here. And I'll keep coming back every single day. Every single day. What is this? Break down all data. That looks return 20%. What's this breakdown? Gap data. 117% return. Breakdown hourly. I don't want anything too good. Return 37%. This is our best one, but I mean, it's just out of one I picked at least. I just don't really want to do it on gap data, so I'm just going to use this strategy. I don't even know what it is. Here's the strategy. Here is the strategy we want to work from. So, okay, now I get this out of here. Get it out of here. Get them ghosts. And then I go over here, say vid 1 and 2. Vid 1, 2. Day 2. BTY. So this is from extended from vid 1 and 2. But this one is focused on backtesting.py plus a strategy I have access to. I'm sure I can find the other one strategy, no worries, but just like right here, right now, you know? Right here, right now, in front of me. I don't have access to it. I see dead people. Man down. All right, let's go ahead. Trying to see Compton. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like, dude. Random. Come on, blood. Let's get it. Pop out and show. Jane says, Danny, listen daily whilst I'm coding my AI stuff and learning while I'm coding. Switch. Derek said, just got a friend request from you and on Discord. Moondev, is it real? No way. It's not real. Report it. Wop, 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 wop. I love you, Derek, but I'm never going to send you a friend request or send you a cold DM. It's always fake. If there's any dots, any underscores, anything like that. Thank you, bro. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. I think that Oakland show gonna be. Let's stop. Let's go ahead and run it here. Deep. You don't have deep? How you not have deep? I was just running this the other day. T-Flow, Conda. Something. Bitch jumping. What do you mean I don't have it? No module named Deep. I thought it was named differently, but let's go ahead and just throw it in there. Get the pip install from her because I don't want to go to Google. Who uses Google anymore? I don't. Pip install Deep. See, it's already installed, cuz. Send it up the pot. Hey. Say. Oh, that's why. Conda deactivate. They're not like us. They're not like us. What do you mean? Pip install deep. It's already in there, cousin. Don't play me today, dog. Not today. Not today. Not today. A real challenge. All right, let's go ahead here. Hey. Pip install deep. I'll try this. I mean, it says it's going to activate some stuff. You're a... Why are you on quant is my question. Snanga. Run for your life. Conda. Deactivate. Conda activate. T-flow. Pip install. Get out of here, B. Come on, bloody. All right. I guess I don't know how to do this anymore. Because I thought I had the deep library in here and we were running it just the other day. But maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping. Let's go ahead here. Vid 1 and 2. V1 and 2. Okay, that looks Gucci to me. Where we at? VGE? Yeah. Let's just go look up pip install because it seems something weird is going on. But typical day, typical day. Damn. Oh my god, I was like, what is that? My computer is loud as shit. But it was the rain noise. Call you. Pip install deep. It's in there, dude. I can promise you that. I showed you it's that. Okay. Not that. No. Okay, Dropbox, dev. Bro. Okay, pip install. Why are you on quant? That's why I don't get. Get out of here. I'm just going to close it. How you like that? There we go. Something's going on now. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Fuck you. All right, let's go ahead and run this. The error you're encountering is due to the multiprocessing library on Mac OS and others. It's important to use if name is main. Oh my god, I have to use name is main. Get him out of here. Take me out in the chopper if I have to use name is main. Gosh darn it. I've got to use name as main, fellas. You know I don't like using name as main. It's intimidating to me, dude. It is what it is. And you know what? Honey, make the word. Went gold, you know? All right, let's use this name as main. We don't know how to use it still, but it's okay. Why is this now gone? BT.analyzers? Come on, blood. Looks like we are missing BT now. The line. These lines all don't work. And why is you using Cerebro? And remember, we are using backtesting.py, cousin. Not Cerebro. Cerebro is backtrader. You know, we're having SCAR go, you know? You know, they fold. Come on, baby. All right, this is a lot of code, but it's all good because that's what we need. Get them out of there. Get them all the way out of there. Oh, snap. You know what I did the other day? Just now? I got rid of my notes up here. No way. We don't do that. We keep the notes up there. We got standard deviation here. We got the fitness. We got everything we need, dude. There's no time to catch up. There's no time to catch up. If you fell behind, there's nothing to do but catch up. Bro, if this doesn't make sense to you, you fell behind. And if you fell behind, there's nothing to do but catch up. Maybe change your mindset and get a new perspective. That's it, bro. Come on. You know. All right, let's run this and see what's Gucci. Touch bro just went go, you know? You know. Oh, man. The problem here is fudge. I need to put something more simple. I need to put something more simple. Because this is going to test it for all of them. All right, let's find a different mediocre backtest. I want to use a mediocre for a reason, cousin. I don't want to use the best. Actually, it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. I just want to get the functionality of this done, you know? On you. How about this little mean reversion strategy? I am not smoking. Not yours. All right, how about this one? Yeah, let's do this one. So this is a reversion strategy, a mean reversion strategy. Update the above so it uses the below strategy instead because it only has one data path instead of a full folder. So this will be much better for the initial version. Here is the original GA. Please use backtesting.py like I mentioned before. Please, 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 love you. Maybe run multiples. Just an idea, probably a later thing. What do you mean? What do you mean, dude? What do you mean multiples? ¿Qué es multiples? Múltiples. Guess. I don't know what you're talking about. Multiple data sources? Multiple folders? Multiple moon devs? Multiple, multiple K. Multiple K. Separate backtest into a singular program runs. Separate the backtest into singular program runs. Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. Did it put the new one in there though? Is the question. NumPy, good, good. Bollinger Band breakout short. What the F, bro? It's not the one, cousin. I probably didn't put it in there. That was my bad. That was my bad. Mala mia. It was totally my bad. I didn't put the strategy in there, dum-dum. Come on, Mooney. Get this together. Here is the new strategy to use instead of the one above. Okay. Let's go get it again. I got it right here because we do this every single day, dude. You can't compete. You can't compete. Just get on the team. Come on. You can't compete. Come on, B. You can compete. That's fine. Let's go. Compete. Let's go. Let's go. Step on the gas, B. If you want to know everything I know, it's in the boot camp. Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. I don't care if you do this with or without me. I'm coming at your neck either way. So let's go. Let's level up. Let's level up. Let's level up. Every day. Every day. I'm here. I'm here. I hope you wake up and you see me on YouTube every single day. I do this for a reason, dude. I want you to know how hard this is. I want you to know who's on the other side of every single trade that you take. So come on. Let's be on the same team. I'll show you everything I know. I don't know everything in the world by any means. I'm only in year 4. So all I know, bro, is that I'm going to keep going. Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. Every day. Make a commitment. Come on, that's it. Make a commitment to every single day you'll be here. You can have me on the other tab, just whatever. It doesn't matter. Let's just get it every day. Let's go ahead and see if it put in that new strategy, or else I'm going to break this computer down. Oh, okay. There we go. It's just a little mean reversion off the SM Izzy. Who am I? Ripley's? Boosted off the caffeine. OMG. Thanks for helping me, Moondad. Tone had a little caffeine. Nice. There we go. Derek says, wait, that wouldn't work. Never mind. I'm apparently not awake yet. Not using my brain. It's all good, dude. Get some of that Phil's coffee in you, bro. Tone says he'll begin to code smaller sneaker projects to get started and work my way up to bigger algos like you. Will teach the power of code along the way. My dude. However you teach it, bro, please let me know because I'll help, get that to more people because there needs to be more people teaching. It's just like people think it's too hard. And yeah, people think it's too hard and we need more regular people just like showing that it is hard, but it's not harder than anything else. And life is supposed to be hard. If you go to bed at night and your day was easy, like, what are you on vacation? Was you on vacation or something? Damn. I don't know how I think I used to play basketball when I never can make the trash can from here. Oh man, had to medicate myself last night. Damn hangover. I'll shut up and watch 777. Much love, bro. You be medicating with alcohol? Honey makes the wood burn slow. Did you know that? Let's go ahead and see if this one is Gucci now. Honey make the wood burn slow, We have an escargot, Those Percocets are going to wear off, Import warnings, cousin. What is you doing? Siri, you always try to come up on my day. Siri, every single day you try to come up here. I ain't talking to you, all right? Damn, dude, Derek has nerve damage, CBD and THC. Prescription dosage. Oh, so you're lit this morning. Damn, I hope it gets better somehow, man. That's sketch. But I'm glad there's something will help a little bit. And I'm glad you're going more of the natural way, you know? So data must be in Panda's data frame. What data are we using, dude? Because you know I'm a data dog. You can see grammatical evolution, Bitcoin 5 minutes, CSV. Is that the one? Let's say copy path. Dude, I love this game. I love this game so, so much. Don't get involved if you're not going to die for it, though. I'm going to tell you that. Don't get involved if you're not going to die for it. Anything you do, dude, just make sure it's the one thing. The most important thing. That's it. I was about to build a website today. I was like, hell no. I am not going down that path again. F websites, F HTML, F all that. F the front end. Not yours. Oh, you're ex-military, bro? Dang. Can't discuss that. Thank you for your service, sir. You are a much better man than I'm ever going to be, putting your life on the line like that. So don't need to discuss more, but I hope that I just hope your pain gets a little better. That's it. Yo, KW777. Not another website mean you don't have to put another Cloudflare on it. I'm never going back to websites. But the thing is it's already set up, which is good. So Cloudflare is here to stay and is doing its thug fizzle while I'm not doing anything on my website. But I was thinking about, I use ClickFunnels for my website, Jane, and I don't know if you're still using it, but it's a little finicky. I've looked a little bit at the stats, Jane, but not much, no. ClickFunnels is really going downhill, in my opinion, but I feel like the speed of loading pages is slow AF, too. Use ConvertTry? Never heard of it. ConvertTree. It's good. Here we go. The world's fastest builder. Pretty fast for #1 rankings with it. Don't know what that means, but templates, I guess. I don't know. You just be building your own. This looks clean. Looks super clean. Loading time. This is what I was looking at. Appreciate you. I appreciate you. I wonder how much it is, by the way. $99 a month. Convert more traffic. Web's fastest loading landing pages. I like that. Oh, okay. Your grandfathered in. You must have got this one. Grandfathered in. 10 pages, 100 pages, unlimited pages, custom domains. Yo, is it worth switching from ClickFunnels? I guess that's the question. Like, honestly, it's going to take me at least 3 days to make the switch. But I just feel like ClickFunnels is like dying. Just my opinion. And I'm not trying to be like a web developer. I could make the website on The internet, sure, but I'm kind of good off that. I just want a faster loading page time. When I go to Algo Trade Camp, Algo Trade Camp, it's fast, but like this is when it's slow. CF is so clunky. You'd say so? Okay, I'm gonna write it down then. You can import any page. Video hosting. Escargot, you know. Touchable just went gold, you know? Well, that seems pretty cool. I'm gonna write it down because I am looking to switch. ClickFunnels is clunky. It'd also be like sending people to random pages, to be honest. All right, I'm gonna get Ghost though. Let's get back to this. Oh, look at that volume right there. Sheesh. Okay, so you can see here, I pass in all the data that we need. Maybe change your mindset and get a new perspective. You know? You know? Check out the page loading speed of this when you get time. It's ranking #1 in the directory. I'll check it out if you send it. If you send it, I'll check it out. So this doesn't have all of the things that we need. It does, but we just got to keep going through this. Print anything needed in order to debug and see what the keys available are. For convert try, free trial on Google, 14-day. Okay, free trial is, I can't decipher this. But let's see if I can figure it out. Remove the at. 14-day. At converti. Oh, okay. Wait, I don't know how to replace the ats with dots. Okay, like that. Converti trial for 14 days. Website builders and I am not smoking. Yeah. How do you even test the speed? Website speed test. I like G metrics, but I'm gonna put it on the list and come back to it later. Thank you. Appreciate you. 91 performance. That's pretty good though. Watch this. My website is so that's 1.53 second load time. 64. Load time is all right. It's twice as fast. And you can connect it to Stripe and all that. And CDN. What's the CDN? Well, James, you didn't. So you didn't. You didn't though. That's the funny part. Oh man, it's a different game though because like this is like y'all are here with me so long. You probably wait 6 seconds for this shit to load. You know, it's a different game. It's not like I'm sending ads. It's ads and cold traffic. Y'all are pretty warm at this point. So, but yeah, I mean, gotta cut that in half at least. Content delivery network, it means that your site is buffered on their servers around the world, so it's served local. Oh, cool. And they take Stripe and upsells, downsells, all that stuff. I guess I don't need to ask you all this, but I can just investigate it later. Appreciate you. But all right, let's go ahead here. Whoa, 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 buddy. Ain't it? All right, good job. Good job. Good job. Do is argue. Love you. And argue. And argue. Argue. That night. Hell yeah. Why you do me like that? It's so. Jane says you can make funnels. It has integrations. It's pretty good, Moon. Put it this way. I've used it for at least 9 years. Gosh. And you used ClickFunnels before too? It's got like one-time upsells and downsells and all that stuff. That I feel like that's ClickFunnels' advantage is like that the back end. That's what they're good at. It wasn't even here 9 years ago though. ClickFunnels. There we go. There we go. I don't know what's happening, but then I call you. All right, let's get this going. Let's go. We're ghosting now. We're ghosting now. Bumps. I'm having bumps of this coffee right now. That's what you're saying. Just about to have a bump, honestly. Just poured some. Bumps, but yeah, you can okay. You can set it up however you want. Bumps are different than backend. You can either get a preloaded funnel or make your own, so you can have. Okay, cool. How long it take you to set it up? Like 5 hours? Not 10 minutes. You can have one down, not a problem. ClickFunnels came out with 2014. Convert, okay. Damn, ClickFunnels came out in 2014. That's 10 years ago. That's a while. So. You know, escargot, you know, you know, you know. Ooh, 2.3 sharp, nice. So I noticed the drawdown showing 0 on all of these. It fixes error. And look into why the drawdown is constantly 0. That can't be right. All right, have a good day. Or have a good 10 minutes. Have a good vid. Appreciate you. Somebody just swept 15.6 M's off BTC. What's gonna happen next is the question. Licks, probably. Yeah, here's some licks coming through, boys and girl. See some licks here. Come on, we're watching down here. And here. Let's see him. Let's see somebody get choppered out real quick. I'm watching these liquidations all day for a reason, B. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him, got him, got him.
Who dares rouse me from my slumber?
Alright. Well, I guess another big lick's happening. We'll watch them. We'll be here. So let's see what happened here. It said that it appears there's a few issues. Consistent drawdown on 0. This might happen because the strategy isn't taking enough risk. See the dips by the licks. I like it. That's a good one. I like that saying. I never heard it. Never heard that. That's a Jane original for Shizzy.
Who dares rouse me from my slumber?
You don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going. They'll be on you. You know who told him. Trent. I seen you post your dad, homie, then I kept scrolling. Drawdown, okay. Okay, I see how this is working now. Let's explain it though. Can you explain all this data, dude? Can you explain this output and what the results are? I see that there is an ROI on only like a few, and same with DD and Sharp. Is this normal to only have it on some? Look at these orders absolutely flying on a Saturday. Why are they sleeping, dog? They're hungover from last night. We here every single day, dude. You better tap in every single day. I'm not gonna be here forever, ever, dude. I'm not gonna be here forever. Come on, tap in. I'm gonna show you everything I know. I don't know anything, but I'm gonna find stuff and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna find stuff and show you as I find it. All right, that's a good deal, right? Tap in 777 if you like that deal. I'll keep showing everything. I don't know anything, but I'll keep learning. Give me a 777 if you're in on that deal. So explanation of the output. So this is the output that we got. You can see it goes through and it gives us a bunch of data. Okay, so it says phenotypes. Remember, what are phenotypes? Phenotypes such as 38, 9, and 15, and 21, 14, and 20 represent different combinations of the strategy, the SMA period, the buy percentage, and the sell percentage. Nice. I knew the chopper was coming through. I could hear it coming from afar. 288,000 off his rack. He doesn't care about this game anymore. He quit today. That's it. That's the last one for him. I'm sorry. Rest in peace, buddy. So the Sharpe ratio, this measures the performance of the strategy relative to its risk. A non-value means the calculation was not possible, often due to zero's variance in net returns. Drawdown, the maximum loss from a peak to trough of a portfolio before the new peak is attained. The consistent negative zero value indicates no meaningful drawdowns was recorded. ROI is return on investment. This indicates the profitability of the strategy. A value of 0.0 indicates no profit or loss. Generation results. Each generation shows the evaluation of 10 individual strategies. The metrics AVG and standard deviation and min and max show the average, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum values of the evaluated strategies in that generation. The Sharpe ratio of non. This typically happens when there is no variability in returns, meaning the strategy doesn't produce any trades, or the returns aren't constant. No profit or loss. The drawdown to negative 0.0. This indicates that there were no significant drops in the equity curve, likely because no trades were made, or the trades made didn't result in any losses. Okay, ROI 0.0. Okay, it's common in the initial stage of genetic algorithm optimization to see many non-performing strategies, especially if the strategy parameters don't trigger any trades. Okay, the goal of the genetic algorithm is to evolve and find the best performing individuals over several generations. Hence, initially, many strategies may not perform well or produce meaningful results. Okay, check data slices. Ensure the data slices, training, validation, and testing are populated correctly. Enhance strategy logic. Make sure the strategy parameters cover a reasonable range and have enough variability to trigger the trades. This can involve adjusting the SMA periods, buy and the sell percentages, adjust the fitness evaluation, consider incorporating additional performance metrics or constraints to ensure the strategy are making trades. Okay. Tell me more though. I want to know. Tell me about the data. Tell me about the data. About the data output and how to interpret it. So you can see the data is a CSV. Fudge. How do I interpret this? The output out of the code. What are the best params it found, and how can we take this to the next level? How do we take it to the next level, dude? Every day we want to take one step. That's it. 1% a day keeps the doctor away. That's what they say, dude. I didn't make that up. No way. I just come back every single day, because if I keep coming back, we're gonna keep moving forward. Piece by piece every single day. 777 Derek, 777 Bob. Jason says, what's this 777 about? It's love, peace, love. Bob Smith says it right. Billy Rex, what's up? 777. Good to see you. Much love. The phenotypes. These are the parameters used in the strategy evaluation. Examples include 38, 9, 5, and 21, 14, and 20. Okay. And so on. The Sharpe ratio indicates the risk-adjusted return. The maximum drawdown as a percentage, showing the maximum observed loss. Return on investment as a percentage. Generation summary. Each generation shows 10 individuals. Strategies evaluated. Metrics like AVG and STD and MIN and MAX provide aggregated statistics for the population in each generation. The best params found. Phenotypes are non-NAND metrics showing the most promising parameters. Phenotype 11, 12. Sharp drawdown, no. Train. Phenotype here, sharp 0.74. This is a new ocean for me, B, so please be patient with me. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. Rarely do I, but hey, today I really don't know what I'm doing, but it's okay because we'll find our way every single day, no matter what. Values are often non and no variability in returns or lack trades of size. A non, okay. A value 0, 0. ROI, 0 values indicate no profit or loss, non-zero. Generation metrics, okay. Parameters that resulted in a non-sharp ratio of positive ROA, okay. So 16, 7, and 14 with the sharp at 8.5, sharp at 0.85, return at 35, and this one is the sharp at 0.74, with the turn at 33.3. Next steps, validate the best strategies, perform more extensive backtesting on the best performed parameters using different data sets or longer time periods. Ensure that these strategies are not overfitted to the training data. Improve data handling, ensure that the data slicing for training, validation, and testing sets its handled correctly to avoid empty data sets, enhancing strategy logic, refine the strategy logic to ensure more trades are made, allowing for better evaluation of performance metrics. Optimize it a little bit further, continue the genetic algorithm for more generations to see if better parameters can be evolved, adjust mutation and crossover rates to ensure a good exploration of parameter search. So tell me this. What's the difference of a GA like this and the built-in backtesting.py optimization? Tell me the difference, dude. Please, 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 please. So the difference here is two things. It's first of both the genetic algorithm optimization and the built-in optimization methods in backtesting.py aim to find the best parameters for a trading strategy. However, they differ significantly in their approaches, flexibility, and use cases. The nature evolutionary algorithm GA is an evolutionary algorithm that mimics the process of natural selection. It generates a population of possible solutions and iteratively selects, combines, and mutates them to find the better solutions over generations. Exploration and exploitation. Exploration GAs are good at exploring a large and complex search space, avoiding local optima and potentially finding a global optimum. Exploitation. By selecting the best individuals in each generation and combining their traits, GAs exploit the most promising areas of the search space. Okay. The parameter handling flexible GAs can handle complex parameter spaces with constraints, multiple objectives, and even non-differentiable objective functions. Customizable. The mutation crossover rates and selection mechanisms can be customized for specific problems. Implementation complexity. Complex implementing a GA requires more setup and tuning of hyperparameters like population size, mutation rate, crossover rate, and number of generations. Scalability. Scalable GAs can be easily parallelized, making them suitable for distributed computing environments. Adaptability, broad application. GAs can be applied to a wide range of optimization problems beyond just parameter optimization and backtesting. Built-in backtesting with PY nature is grid search or random search. Okay. The built-in is using a grid search or random search methods. It systematically or randomly tests combinations of parameters with specified ranges. Okay. So I see the difference of the grid search versus a GA, genetic algorithm. Okay, sick. So what I want to do here is, how do we up this? How do we up the game? Would it be better to have multiple strategies? Here we go. Above is my code. and below are the results. I want to take this to the next step though. I want to do whatever is needed in order to morph this into a better strategy and find better results. What is the best way to do this? Should I add more trading strategies or math equations and start getting into grammatical evolution? I have time to do this. I have time to do this and would like to go a bit slow as this is new to me and I need to fully understand it because this will be something I work on for months or years to come. I really like it here. I just like it here. I like the idea of it, you know? Yo, what up? What up, HJ? Hi, how are you doing? Hey, dude, if you're watching this, you missed the live, bro. Come back to the live and I'll catch you next time.